Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, I'd like to show you some important prepositions of place in Austrian German. Most of them are similar in Austrian German and in Standard German, which makes it easier to learn them. In this video, we are going to cover prepositions such as über, neben, or dazwischen. If you want to find out more about Austrian German, please subscribe to the Austrian German tutorial. The learning goal of this video is to understand the usage of the prepositions of place in Austrian German. For our examples, this garage will help us to illustrate the usage of the prepositions. Let's start with the preposition neben. Neben. Any idea what it means? Neben is next to in English. For instance, the car is next to the garage. Could sound like das Auto ist neben der Garage in Austrian German. In Standard German, it is das Auto steht neben der Garage. The next preposition we focus on is hinter. Hinter means behind. Let's check out our three examples again. The car is behind the garage. Das Auto ist hinter der Garage. And in Standard German, das Auto ist hinter der Garage. Another preposition of place is vor in German and in Austrian German. In this case, vor can be translated as in front of. So let's put it into practice. The car is in front of the garage. Das Auto ist vor der Garage in Austrian German. Das Auto ist vor der Garage. The next preposition is good news for all the learners. It is the same in English and in German. It is the preposition in. For example, the car is in the garage. Das Auto ist in der Garage. Das Auto ist in der Garage. The following preposition is a difficult one, namely zwischen. Zwischen. In English, zwischen means between. Time for some examples. The car is between the garage and the house. Das Auto ist zwischen der Garage und dem Haus. Das Auto ist zwischen der Garage und dem Haus. Furthermore, gegenüber seems to be a tricky preposition. Gegenüber can be translated as opposite. The garage is opposite the shop. Die Garage ist gegenüber vom Geschäft. Die Garage ist gegenüber dem Geschäft. Finally, let's take a look at the preposition über. Über sounds similar to the English word over, and that is the preposition. The bird is over the garage, or better said flies over. Der Vogel ist über der Garage, and in Standard German, der Vogel ist über der Garage. I hope I could give you a little insight into the prepositions of place in Austrian German. See you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen und Servus.